I made this ad in just a few minutes without using Blender or After Effects. These days, many people like me are using smart tools to create ads that help grow a brand, or even sell these ads to make real money. Big companies usually spend a lot of money to make their videos look nice. But here's the truth. You don't have to spend big money to make something that looks great. Just look at some ads from top brands. They look awesome, right? The crazy part is, many of them are using smart tools like the one I used. If they can do it, you can too. You can even reach out to businesses and say, hey, I can make good-looking video ads for you at a much lower price. You don't need a fancy camera, special software, or a big team. But let's be real. Most people get confused because they use too many tools just to make one short video. That's why I started using just one easy tool. Whether you need a product photo or a full video ad, this tool can do both. The only things you need are a good product and a few simple ideas. That's it. Now let's follow the step-by-step process to make viral product ads. First, start by taking a high-quality photo of your product. Make sure the image is clear, well-lit, and shows all the important details. Once you have the photo ready, go to ChatGPT and upload your product image. Next, copy the prompt provided in the description box and paste it into the prompt area. Click Generate. And wait a few seconds while the image is created. Once it's ready, simply download the final image. Now let's turn this image into an eye-catching ad video. There are several great AI tools out there like Kling AI, Pixverse AI, and Nim AI. But for this video ads, I'm choosing Pixverse AI. It's perfect for creating high-quality, attention-grabbing ads, and the best part, it only takes a few minutes to generate the video. Go to Pixverse AI and open the dashboard. Click on the plus icon to start a new project, then upload the image you generated earlier. In the prompt box, paste the following. All floating elements, including the central product, fall down rapidly due to gravity on a clean background. Smooth, realistic animation with slight bounce on impact. After pasting the prompt, click Generate. In just a few seconds, your animated ad video will be ready. Once it's done, simply download the final video and you're all set.